Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pepperjam for affiliate tracking and payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Pepperjam. Press the enter key to navigate to the Pepperjam homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will now see fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, type in your password. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Ensure that your email and password are entered correctly. Once verified, click the Sign In button to proceed. After a few moments, you will be redirected to your Pepperjam dashboard. Here, you can access various features related to affiliate tracking and payouts. To track your affiliate performance, navigate to the appropriate section in the dashboard. This section will provide insights into clicks, conversions, and earnings. To manage payouts, locate the Payouts tab on the dashboard. Here, you can view your payout history and upcoming payments. If you encounter any issues logging in, consider resetting your password. To reset, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset link via email. After resetting your password, return to the login page to sign in again. Once logged in, explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. This concludes the step-by-step process for logging into Pepperjam for affiliate tracking and payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.